Hi guys, it's me Cindy, and today I'm going to play Undertale. So I'm going to reset. True name? Yes, of course. And today I'm going to do a genocide run because I never done a genocide run before, and I really want to see the sounds fight because I never ever done genocide. I only done neutral. Oh, I never done pacifist before too. Okay. There's no right friendliness pellets. Okay. Yes, I'm ready. Moving on again. Okay, no. Just no. Yeah, of course I'm gonna miss it. God. Hey. Oh. Mega. Wow. I got the Merkle flowery fire at the end. I was literally talking about a neutral run. Yeah. Kind of spoil things up on her. No. Ah! Dang it. Okay then. Whatever. Oh gosh. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Gonna do genocide. Okay, after doing genocide, then do pacifist. There will be some kind of different ending, some kind of different ending than normal pacifist one. So I'm just gonna fight. I'm literally recording. There you go. Oh wait, this recorder have literally a time limit? What? Oh well. Thanks. I guess. Not really. Okay. Of course, Undertale! Genocide! Like, of course. Never done genocide before. Yep. My recorder is always that boring. Well, yes. Oh, and this recorder has a time limit. Yeah, the limited time is actually 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes. Okay. Now just... Ooh, first encounter. Okay. Just go right there. There we go. Hop, hop. Oh, dodge everything. Oh gosh. Okay, now just go under. Oh, there's a monster. Now just kill them. And then kill. There you go. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh. After that, going right there. I think I'm just gonna eat some Cheetos. Only one. Alright. Oh, dang it. It's fine. Huh. Okay. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 da 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 da. Okay. Maybe. Ooh, level 2. My love squeeze. Oh. Another frogget. Oh, perfect. No. Oh. Come. Oh. Oh my gosh, that's the mark. Damages. Okay. Da 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 da. Na 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 na. Wisdom. I kill him. Gonna move around. Oh. Another wisdom. You killed. You got killed. I'm not gonna take that candy yet. Croc, croc. Okay. LOL. I say LOL because my friend showed me something funny. It's like like someone wearing a Sans costume. Well, wait just a minute. Come on, I need to get to Genocide. Oh. Wait. Oh, again. XD. Whoa. Says it's on the car. Okay. Yeah, it is funny. Kill that Froggo! Why do I say Froggo? It's called Froggo, not Froggo. Ooh, loving grace! Gonna go and attack him. Of course, gonna go and attack him. And then there we go. Wait. Yeah, this is also weird. Yeah. Oh. Okay, gonna go and kill him. No matter what, just go and kill him. Oh, and there's definitely a part 2. If you give it a like. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh, ah! Kill the Froggo! Yes. So yeah, that should be it. And then there you go. I'm level